answer some questions that I have received on my blog as well as my social media. Did I change my room? Yeah, I changed it up to be more organized, and each little area has a purpose now. So I have my work area, I have my area where I start to plan what I'm gonna blog about, what videos I'm going to do. So everything is basically has its purpose. I set up a new background for when I film off of my computer from my desk, and then I have set up another area where I do now my videos. So I have it where I basically can set up quickly and fast. It's a small room, but I have everything pretty much organized. I organized my make from the moisturizer to your foundation, concealers, eyeshadows, everything is organized all the way down. Then I have another little shelf that I will show you that I put like my hair products, my beauty blenders, my lotion. Everything now has a place and it's organized. I know where everything is, and it stays neat, it stays clean, and this is what I need to do. I am going to change a few little things here. I have these curtains here that I have put up as a background. I will be taking these down. I'm going to change this pink one and this pink one here. I'm very happy with the one here because this is all white or off-white, and then I put I guess the light curtain or whatever they call it. I do have to find another place. I have this mirror here that I wanted to basically maybe put it sideways on a long table and make up, you know, maybe a different area. I'm not for sure. I do have my other little, this is another little room that is connected to my workroom area. This one is a little messy. This is the little room I was telling you about, a little messy. But this is my little things I have up, as you can tell. My little light everywhere. Behind the floor, behind the stuff over here. So this is basically like my little walk-in closet area. I have like shoes all down the bottom. I have my clothes on both of these racks here. And those are like my slacks and skirts. These are like my colored clothes, I guess you could say. This is just a mannequin that stands here. I guess you could say. I made a little picture frame with some wire and some little hooks to be my sunglass holder, as you could say. And then I have like a little rug here with my little bench and a table with a little box and my little money plant in here and a small little mannequin stand for the jewelry. But here I have like my blues, my whites, beige, silver, my greens, and my blacks. So I like my things to be basically color coordinated and things. But this is my treadmill. As you can tell, it's not in working service. But these are my shadow lights, my ring light. This is like my reflector, and just, you know, my things for like when I film. I have to paint this room a different color, and I got this beautiful mirror here that you cannot see because it's being blocked. This is my work area. This is where I do all my editing and just basically whatever. If I gotta do emails and stuff like that, I have my laptop that I sometimes will have to get information off of to put into my other computer. I have here, these are all of like my cards, memory cards. Here I store photos that I do not want to lose from my phone. This is such a cool gadget. You connect it to your phone and download your pictures directly on here, and it stays here so I don't lose them. I have my little Bluetooth pieces when I want to take self photos, and when I do my little fashion shows and little photo shoot things. But that stays here. This is just a little bathroom, little caddy that holds my stuff, but it looks really nice. And I have my microphone here when I do voiceovers and recordings. My vlogging camera is here, which is a Sony. I think it's a DSC HX80. This is my computer that I do mainly all my work on and things. I splurged and got me a nice comfortable chair, since I sit in this chair for so many hours a day when I'm doing my videos. I try to do a lump sum of videos, then come in and then start editing to download them to the computer and to film more and start doing that. This is my little caddy. So this caddy has multiple purposes. It's on wheels, and these are like items that I did a video on. So to keep them here and organized, I know I have to do the detailed information for the description box, and the second shelf is basically the same thing. Also, when I'm doing videos, I like to put my stuff there to have it close by me. I have, this is like my shelf full of things. Down here, these are my books that are on healthy eating, healthy lifestyle, healthy mentally, just everything you can imagine. Basically, self-help. This is a Mason Flores box that I made myself. Then getting involved in journaling or into my blogging channel, healthier versions of doing beauty things, creating my own beauty stuff as far as facials and things like that. I have a whole nother video I'm doing. And so this is basically my little work area. I have these two little bins, and I got these from Five Below for just a couple bucks. This is the area where I can do videos and things like that. My background is right. I don't really use it that often. I use this other area that I created, and I just, whatever I think I'm going to maybe get some ideas on what I'm going to blog, and then I have over here. This is my new little background that I created. So when I am doing like videos or doing something on my computer, I need a nice background. This is what the feature is. This is what you see. So I have like, this is my little jewelry box and little things here. I have here, this is my drawer that has all of my different types of lashes. These are Sweet Treats, and those are Lily Lashes, and these are Iris Beauty. I heard about these Cara from a girl on Instagram, so I thought I'd try them, but they're a little bit too gaudy, I guess you could say, for me. Using them just for video and stuff. These are my individual lashes. I got short, medium, long. Then of course I have my glue here. Then these are the ones that I use mostly all the time. These are the NYX. These are the WL01. Then I have the 10s, WL10s. I use these quite often too. Then I have the 15, WL15s. I like these too. These are my lashes that I use quite often. And sometimes if I like ones that are a little bit more expensive, I clean them, treat them very well, and then I put them in one of these little pill boxes, as you can see. And that's how I store them, so they don't get any type of, you know, dust and debris built on them or anything like that. They stay fresh, they stay clean. This is a little caddy that I purchased from Home Goods for I think around $50. It has 10 shelves. They're plastic. This is metal. I have here my little caddy. It holds all my brushes and things here. This, again, another bathroom little caddy. Cutest thing. It has a mirror, you know, on the inside. But I keep my cotton balls in here. And then I have my Apple Watch charger here. I have everything organized. So this is like my extra creams and little oils for my face. I put here on the top to basically start the canvas that way. These are all my foundations. I have, these are Herrera airbrush. This is the Luminaire airbrush colors there. Then I have like department store, drugstore. I have Sephora. I have MAC, Ulta, wherever, you know, different ones. This is a spray airbrush in a can. So this is that drawer. The next one here is like all my like concealers of all sort, Makeup Forever. Then I have the Anastasia one here. Then I got like a BH Cosmetic multi one down there with bronzers and concealers. This is like all my like little blushes. This here is lipstick holders, but I put in here these are the pigments from MAC. So I put these in these little holders. This one doesn't fit, so it's just gonna sit there. These are my Z palettes. I couldn't tell you the colors because these are some of them are Sephora and Makeup. Well, these are all Makeup Geek. There's a few Sephora, and then Kiko, I think is the name of that company in the mall. This one here, these are from a company I think in Australia. They were on Instagram, so I got them. This is my 2 more palettes. Moving on, or eyeshadows. I have the Hudas. I have a bunch of different MAC ones, different shades. The smaller MACs. I have the Anastasia. Of course, all of these. There goes Teddy barking. Here's this is another MAC. This is another MAC. I have like all the Urban Decay palettes as well. This is the new one. I just haven't tried yet, but there's the Naked, the Cherry. This one's the Smoky. Then we got the Naked 3. I think this is the original. I have a few of the Tarte To Go, Pro To Go palettes. I have here. This is more pigments, more glitters. This is eyeliners, liquid eyeliners, all different kinds from different places. This is the Dior liquid eyeshadows. This is all the Stella liquid eyeliners. I love the gold and the copper. I love those colors. This drawer is all mascaras here and mascara primers. This is all my eyebrow stencils and eyebrow powders and creams and all that little shenanigans. Then this one here is my lipstick lip liners, and these are the lip glosses or tints. This here is my bronzers, my shimmers, my powders, whether it's under eye, for the face, Makeup Forever, my highlighters. I got all kind of highlighters. We have our setting sprays, we have primers, we have glues, we have a spatula that goes with that little thing to blend colors, a sharpener. I have like here my blend glue, I guess mask, tons of things. Kate Somerville, this is really good exfoliate. I got a few little like mask here things. This is the KNC Beauty lip comfort thingy. These I use to clean around my eyes. This is like a cake stand, but I use it just as decoration. This is my little candle here. This is my one of my little make tweezers and stuff. These are soap dishes that I got from Home Goods, I think, that I just use for little things here. Micro needling that I do maybe once a week or so. This is the Jade massager for your face. This here is, and I did a video on this. This is supposed to be a blackhead remover. It doesn't do that very well. My morning drawer. So I have here my morning things that I put on my face. This is Glow Vitamin C Magnesium. This one here is Vitamin C Hyaluronic Acid. This is Feel Beauty by Cindy Crawford. I decided I wanted to try that out, see if that works. The Vitamin E that I put on my skin all the time. These, again, this is Glow Serum. I also do my face, the MAC Black C. This is the Softening Lotion. I always wash my face, but I never use soap, and I use the Garnier Clean Water, and then I put a Rose Oil Collagen Overnight Serum on my face, as well as the Vitamin E. Then the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair, and then these are like the eye lifting creams from the Meaningful Beauty by Cindy Crawford. My little thing I put on my table to help give me a little bit of a glow when I'm doing my videos. Here I have, these are all my backgrounds, and I have them all neatly folded in here, and I have a steamer that I use when I want to put them up so they can get these wrinkles out of them. But beauty blenders and This is a face massager. I'm doing a video. I have something on. It's wrinkled. I spray that on. It takes the wrinkles right out. This is the Beauty Blender Blotter Razzle. These are all the different sizes of all the like beauty blenders. Here I have, these are like my ponytail holders and barrettes, bobby pins and stuff like that. There's a mask here. This is a waxing kit. This is one of my airbrush machines for the Luminaire, I guess it is. That was real popular back in the day. Then here I have like all my brushes and lint rollers and this and that. Combs. Here I have my Wow spray, dry shampoo, some of my oils. I have my Damage Remedy Repair. And again, this is more hair products to help your hair oils. The Redken oil here. And then I got my mousse, hairsprays that I like to use. This has got just deodorant, body tape if you want to wear something particular and you don't want certain things to be seen or whatever, you put that up. This is booby lifting tape, and then this is petals for your nibby wibbies, and emergency tape for certain things that you wear. And again, here's lotion. This is like spray tan stuff. Or a mousse. This is a mousse. This is a gel spray. This one works really well. This one's okay. This one's really good. This one it seems a little bit kind of weird. I don't know, but I'm still like working on that one. This one here sprays on clear and it doesn't get on your clothes or anything, but I don't see like much of a difference. I saw this one at TJ Maxx, so I said, oh, it's only $5. Let me give it a try. Self tanner, but it is pretty dark. This one here I just got in Sephora, so I still want to test that one out after I exfoliate, after I put one of these on or whatever. I like to put on the Johnson Baby Oil Gel. It has aloe vera and vitamin E, and it's very helpful. Gives a little mitts. This here, just miscellaneous. These are like some lashes that I got a while back. I was going to play around with for Halloween. This is makeup remover stuff, and then, you know, for your brushes, cleaning your brush.